It does not come here. So the stuff from the green bins goes to either Harvest Power or EnviroSmart, I think it is, and they do the composting of that stuff. The two materials we take here are landscaping waste, which you can see on your right. So basically landscaping contractors, and also you, if you're doing a big reno in your garden and you want to get rid of some of your like scrap wood or trees or branches, you can bring that here. And what do we do with this stuff? We chop it up into tiny little bits and we put it in a pile. And then in these piles, there are microbes in there that slowly digest the wood. And every month about, it gets rolled over and rolled over and rolled over again. This is my favorite area in January because everyone brings their Christmas trees and they're grinding up Christmas trees all day long and it smells fantastic. So those Christmas trees will go in the pile. They get rolled over for 6 to 8 months. And that big green machine back there, it's actually working right now. At the end, they put the stuff in there. All the fine stuff gets spit out. That's the compost, which you can come and buy here. And all the bigger bits get put back in the pile. So yeah, that same Christmas tree from January will be beautiful compost for your garden in like August or July. Pretty nice. The second kind of wood product that we process here is broken apart pieces of wood. So straight in front of us here, past those spiky wheels, you can see a pile of waste wood, pallets, broken furniture, that kind of stuff. It also gets ground up and made into this really rough kind of shredded wood. We use this wood here as cover for the garbage and for our roads. So that broken down chair you have in your backyard, we can bring it here and we have a use for it as well. All right, off we go to our next stop. So if there's something in your house that you cannot recycle, that you cannot compost, I guess it has to go in the garbage. So we're gonna go there next, the active phase, that giant pile of garbage you were all expecting to see. Pardon? Yeah, you should. Has anyone ever been here before, this day? A few people have come before.